All right, let's talk about Live Good. Do a review, okay? And how about a fresh one, February 6th of 2025? Okay, I like to do a few a week and talk about the products, the opportunity, how things are going and what we're doing. All right. We have 10 more products that are going to debut in the next 2 months. We just had a few more hit the streets now. Couple to make our skin look sexy. Okay, and we even have some CBN and CBD. Okay, you guys have heard of these products. They're designed to just make you relax, make you feel better. Okay, and we have gummies. Gummies that you can chew to help you sleep. Okay, they just hit the streets a couple days ago, and I have no doubt we're probably going to do $1 million in sales just on that one product alone. People love that CBD and the CBN and the CBD and the BFG and LMNOP, don't they? All right, so as far as products, I think we're hitting about $15 million per month wholesale, okay, worldwide. We're in over 200 countries, 1.7 going on 1.8 million members and affiliates, okay, and that's worldwide, okay. Don't think Live Good is saturated, because 9 out of 10 people that join, they're going to buy the products, but they're not going to focus on being an affiliate like this guy with the world's biggest forehead, okay. $40, you're an affiliate. Now, you are an affiliate for $40, but if you're not going to post and just talk about the opportunity and invite people to watch a short video, that's not your deal, okay? You're going to want to do exactly what I do. $40 one time, okay? And then make fun videos. Post on social media. You don't have to post about live good all the time. Post about your favorite hobby, sports, recipes, jokes. Have some humor. If you're at a birthday party or if you see a pretty sunset, be entertaining. And then throw in some Live Good references. Okay, talk about the products. And if you're taking them and they make you feel good, that's the best. If you can do personal endorsement, going, hey, I'm buying Super Red, Super Greens. I love the protein powder. The new CBN gummies make me sleep well. The magnesium tablets are awesome. Okay? I know you're not going to complain about the ingredients. There's no way. We have the best ingredients, and you're not going to complain about our prices because we're a wholesale-based company. $10 a month, you're buying at rock bottom, barely over our cost to produce all the ingredients and products here in America, and they're distributed out of Jupiter, Florida. All right, I think we have 3 full-size buildings right now. That looks like 6, isn't it? I better do this. There you go. 3. All right, we're setting up distribution centers all over the place. Of course, Asian areas. China's just doing well. South Korea, Kazakhstan. I don't even know how to spell that country. We're all over Africa, of course. Up above, our buddies up in Canada. And America's rocking, okay? We hit 1.7 to 1.8 million members barely over 2 years. Okay, we were at one point averaging 100,000 signups every month. And right now we're still holding in there. After 2 months, or 2 years and 2 months of being an affiliate like you can join now, we've already hit almost 2 million people. Okay? This is very, very rare. Okay? Costco didn't do it. Netflix didn't do it. Amway didn't do it. All the biggest companies online, they've never had 2 million people sign up in about 2 years. Okay? It's very affordable. All right? You got $10 a month? Let's do some business. You want to be an affiliate? Just do that $40. One and done. It is not reoccurring every month. It's not recurring every year. It's $40. And the only way you can cancel your membership is just to go support at livegood.com and tell people, hey, I'm just out of the company. I just don't want to do it anymore. But if you just pay that $10 a month, you're an affiliate. We don't commission the products. That's why I joined as an affiliate. Because these products on my mini fridge over here, those white containers, Super Red, Super Greens, I think I have amino acid punch and the organic coffee over there. I was buying those products, just retail. Then I become a member by paying $10 a month, and I was paying $10 a month to save about $30 to $40. Then I became that affiliate. I just had to do it, March of 2023. And here, my 2-year anniversary is in a couple months. I've been able to sign up well over 400 and something people. Okay, I'm making money. It's paying my bills for all this crazy stuff you see on my walls, the electricity, my phone bill, my drinks I love to sip while I make videos working all day. Okay, And plus the money that I earn with Live Good, I just reinvest too by buying the products. So I feel like I get the Live Good products for free, so to speak. All right, if I earn $100, man, I'll buy these products. Why go to Walmart or GNC or maybe Amazon? I don't know where you buy your health products now, but you should really look into ours. Okay? Now, how I've became darn good at being an affiliate is by making things easy. Okay? I always invite people to my link. All right, I bought joincory.com. And when people click it, they go to this page right here. And if you join LiveGood, you're going to have the same exact web page, except you can switch this name right here, Cory Draper's website, put whatever name you'd like. Okay? And then this link right up here, livegoodtour.com/, you'll see my username is Cory J. Draper. I don't want to promote that link. I think it's too much of a pain in the butt. I would rather just do this. Go to GoDaddy, buy a domain for $10, $11, buy some business cards for like $25, and just invite people to click that link. And when they go to this page, do you see the video? Everyone just watches the video. It's a 6-minute video hosted by Ben Glinsky, our CEO. Talks about the opportunity, the products, our return, our compensation plan, and done. You're either in or out. Or if you don't want to be an affiliate, that's okay. That's less competition for me, to be honest. But if you want to buy the products, I recommend you do. I think they'll make you feel good. Guys, I'm almost 60, and I can tell if I get some like fish oil, okay, and just get some good products in this belly of mine, because I love enchiladas, I love tacos, I even have breakfast cereal and all the other stuff that you can possibly put in your body to make it feel good, bad, or ugly. But I know that if I put better products, health products, especially super reds and super greens, these are the products that I really enjoy. And I hope you try them. I hope they make a difference in your life. And if they don't, you got 3 months. Send the money back, or send your products back and get the money. Okay? Even if the products are empty. You see those white containers? If I just open the jars and pour them out into, let's say, Tupperware bowls, and send the empty containers back, as long as Jupiter, Florida gets the containers and verifies, well, Cory tried the organic coffee and the super red, super greens. He just thought they were okay. But you know what? He sent them back. Let's go to his account. And since I pay with my Visa card, okay, rock and roll. They just refund all my money, every single penny. Pretty impressive. And that's 3 months, guys, 90 days, okay? So I hope that you join. If you join me, you're going to get a personal email from me, and I'm going to just explain exactly what I do every single day to make it fun, make it easy. Hand out a card, if you don't mind making business cards, just hand them out now and then. Okay, whenever. If Live Good comes up, I just hand out the card and say, watch the video, guys. It's all self-explained. I don't need to recruit. I don't need to sell. I don't need a customer support. I don't need the customer service. I don't do shipping, handling, nothing. The website's perfected. The capture page works fine. All I do is just invite you fine folks to joincory.com, okay? All right, thanks for your time. Boom. You have any questions? Cory at corydraper.com, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, take care, guys. I hope you like my Live Good review here. All right, we'll see you next video. Bye.